Danger lurks in the shadows of our digital world. Let me tell you about the hidden perils where an unexpected phone call could potentially cause problems. Picture yourself languid in the afternoon heat, when suddenly your phone pierces the silence like an urgent plea. A voice, smooth as velvet, caresses your ear. There's a problem with your bank account. Your pulse quickens, desire and fear intertwining in your veins. But resist, my dear. Hang up. For no one demands your secrets so boldly. Let your bank's reassuring tones be the balm to your racing heart. As you emerge from this encounter, flushed and breathless, your eyes are drawn to your computer screen. An email glows with tantalizing promise. Congratulations! You won the lottery. Oh, how tempting! How deliciously forbidden. But beware, for this fruit is poisoned. Delete it, lest it lead you down a path of no return. Social media, that realm of digital desire, brings its own exquisite dangers. A new friend slides into your messages, slowly coaxing out your most intimate details. But remember, true intimacy is earned, not given freely to strangers. Block them, report them, and wrap yourself in the protective embrace of strong privacy settings. But the night is young, and danger is not done with you yet. Alone in your sanctuary, your phone rings again. The voice on the other end claims authority, threatens consequences. I'm from the CBI, it whispers, and there are serious charges against you. Sweat beads on your skin. Your breath catches in your throat. This is the beginning of a digital arrest, a dance of deception and desire that could leave you stripped of everything. The caller demands your trust, your compliance, your secrets. They paint a picture of dire consequences, of frozen accounts and shattered reputations. You find yourself teetering on the edge of a precipice, caught between fear and reason, desire and caution. But pause. Take a deep breath. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the strength in your core. Remember, the true power lies within you. No government agency would ever demand such intimacy and details over the phone. End the call. Reach out to a trusted confidant. Let their love and support anchor you in the storm of deception. In this world of digital seduction and danger, your awareness is your greatest weapon. Every call, every email, every message holds a story of potential ruin or salvation. It's up to you to discern truth from fiction, to navigate the treacherous waters of the online world. So come, let's face these perils together. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and share your experiences. For in unity, we find strength. In awareness, we find protection. And in each other, we find the courage to face whatever dangers may come, no matter how alluring they may seem.